What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'm going to show you if fix-a-flat really works or not. Now, I got to mow. Hopefully, it's one of the last times of the season I got to mow. But I got two flat tires. This tire right here goes flat about halfway through my my mowing, so I have to keep airing it up. Instead of taking it off, taking it to the shop and having to fix it or do it myself, I'm just going to see if this old fix-a-flat will work. I'm going to show you guys the process. Really simple. If it does work, I'll talk to you a little bit about it after the video. So you shake it up for about 30 seconds. Alright, 30 seconds later. And all you do is you screw it in to your valve stem right here. So once you got that screwed on, hold it upright. Let's see how it does. It's aired up pretty good. I don't want to use the whole can on just this tire. I want this to seal because I got another tire over there that's flat, so I want to put some in the other tire too. We'll see how it holds up. So I've still got quite a bit left in there. So this one isn't really airing it up as much, but as long as I can get that in there and it seals the hole, we'll be good to go. You can actually see, where the fix-a-flat's coming out, so now I know where my hole's at. It's on the side, so probably just needs a new tube, but we'll see how this holds up. We'll see if that fix-a-flat will seal it. Alright, everybody, I got the tires aired up. I'm going to mow for a little bit. Usually about halfway through my mow, about 30 or 40 minutes, that tire right there goes flat and I have to air it up again. So we'll mow, and if I have to air it up again, I'll let you guys know. Catch you back on the after I'm done mowing. What's up, everybody? All right, now it's been over an hour and a half of mowing, and let's see how this tire looks. Bam! So my conclusion is, does the fix-a-flat work? This is actually like a Super Tech, but it's the same thing as the fix-a-flat. It's the non-flammable formula. So if you do have to get stuff worked on, the people who are working on the tire don't have to mess with flammable material. But yes, over an hour and a half, the tire still held up perfect. So do I recommend fix-a-flat? Heck yes. It's awesome. It's actually one of them things that probably need to be in everyone's vehicles, especially the wife's vehicle. That way, if they have a low tire or a flat leaving work or Walmart or wherever they go, and they need a quick fix to get home so you can go back and get it taken care of, fix-a-flat. I'm telling you, that thing works good. That tire's still perfect too. It's like I was saying earlier, these tires, this tire in particular, right? Sorry about the moving around so fast. That tire in particular right there would go flat halfway through my mow session. So about 30 to 45 minutes into it, it would go flat. I finished all my mowing. You guys see we're in a new construction, so I got a mess everywhere. But everything's mowed that I mow, and it took about an hour and a half, and the tire held up perfect. So I should have done this like 6 months ago. But yeah, it works awesome. Get you some fix-a-flat if you guys need a quick fix for a tire. Works great. Hey, don't forget, guys, down below I got t-shirts. You guys can check them out. I got a new one called Dutch's Money Honey. I got a campaign going for a few more days, so get it while you can, because I'm not going to be selling that shirt anymore after this this go around. So, all right, guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button for me if you would. Hey, if you're not subscribed, you just came across this video and you like what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button and do me a big favor and click that little bell that's down. It'll be down in there somewhere. You can click it and you'll get notifications whenever I post new content. If you like this stuff, I do some how-to videos often, and I got doing the house build project, and we're also got animals and stuff, so that's the kind of stuff we do around here. If you guys are into that, subscribe, please. Catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.